Energy of orbital. We know very well what is orbital. What is orbital? In the atom, where the electron is present, that place is called orbital. The region or space around the nucleus where the probability of finding an electron is maximum, that is called orbital. In atom, electron is present now, that place is called orbital. So what is the energy of orbital? Generally, the energy of any orbital, we can determine by using n plus L values. By using what? N plus L values. How to calculate energy of orbital? Energy of orbital we can calculate by using n plus L values. This is very important point. What is n? N means in the last class we discussed that is a principal quantum number. What is n? Principal quantum number. What is L? L is nothing but azimuthal quantum number. Azimuthal quantum number. See, what are the starting values of n? N values are starts from where?
1, 2, 3, 4.
N values not possible 0. N values are starts from 1 onwards. Okay na? N values are starts from 1 onwards. Okay na? L values
0.
L values depends on n value. So here L values are starts from 0 onwards. N value means it is orbit number. Orbits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that na. So that's why n value is 0, not possible. Okay. Please remember these L values. L is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is for S, this is for P, this is for T, and this is for L. So you have to by heart these values. L value 0 for S orbital, L value 1 for P orbital, L value 2 for D orbital, and L value 3 for F orbital. Okay, na? Now I will explain 1 or 2 examples. Please listen. I want to calculate energy of 1s orbital. 1s orbital energy I want to calculate. How to calculate? So what is the formula I want to calculate n plus L? What is the energy of orbital? N plus L values. Okay, na? In this 1s, what is the n value?
1.
N value, but what is the number is there? That is n value. So in 1s, what is the number?
1.
So that's right. 1 plus
0.
What is the L value?
0.
Right. 1 is the answer for 1s orbital. What is the n plus L value for 1s orbital? 1. What is the n plus L value for 1s orbital? 1. What about 2s orbital? Can you say? What is the n value?
2, sir.
N value is
N value is 2.
2. What is the L value for s orbital?
0.
0. S orbital, I am asking. 0. So 2 plus 0, 2.
Next.
So this is n plus L value for 2s orbital. Next, what about 3s orbital? 3 plus 0.
3.
3 plus 0. 3, sir.
3 plus 0, 3. Next, what about 2p orbital? 2p orbital n plus L value?
3, sir. 2 plus
2
plus 1.
Value is 1. So that's why it is 3. So this is the energy of orbital. Is right. The energy of an electron in a hydrogen atom. The energy of an electron in a hydrogen atom is determined by principal quantum number. Only for hydrogen atom I am telling. Is determined by principal quantum number. Thus, the energy of the orbitals, increases as follows. Okay. 1s is less than 2s is equal to 2p. Please write down this sequence now. 1s is less than 2s is equal to 2p. Why I got 2s is equal to 2p? Any reason? No
Because
specific
2s value is
reason.
also true, 2p is also.
S orbital, this p orbital, both are present in second shell. 2s, 2p indicates what? That S orbital, p orbital, both are present in where? Second
Same
shell.
here.
Next, which is less than 3s is equal to 3p is equal to 3d. Only for hydrogen this is. For hydrogen, how many electrons we have? Ma? Only one electron. Na?
One electron.
So that's why remaining orbitals have almost the same energies in the cell. In the shell, remaining orbitals have same energies. 4s is equal to 4p.
So orbitals are orbitals only not existing.
Orbitals are present, but electrons are not present. Only orbitals are present. 1s is less than 2s is equal to 2p, which is less than 3s is equal to 3p is equal to 3d, which is less than 4s is equal to 4p is equal to 4d is equal to 4f. Next point, the energy of electrons in a multi-electron atom, the energy of electrons in a multi-electron atom can be calculated by using n plus L values. Can be calculated by using n plus L values. Full stop. According to this, lower the value of n plus L value. According to this, lower the value of n plus L value. According to this, lower the value of n plus L value. The lower is its energy. The lower is its energy. The lower is its energy. You can write these examples now. For example, 1s, 2s, 3s, 2p. Write any two examples. Example. You better to write L values. Better to remember L values. L value is very, very important.
You have given in the notes, sir.
Ma?
Sir, you gave that L values in notes last class itself.
Again, students will say mistakes. So that's why I wrote. Whenever we want, we have to write like that. Can? Just completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now write down one question. In this question, first part I will explain remaining parts how to do. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please write down. Using SPDF notations, S, comma, P, comma, D, comma, F notations, describe the orbital with the following quantum number. I repeat, using SPDF notations. S comma P comma D comma F. SPDF notations. Describe the orbital. Describe the orbital with the following quantum numbers. Describe the orbital with the following quantum numbers. Write down in the sub questions. First one, A, n is equal to 2, L is equal to 1. B, n is equal to 4, L is equal to 0. C, n is equal to 5, L is equal to 3. D, n is equal to 3, L is equal to 2. This is the question. N is equal to 2, L is equal to 1, N is equal to 4, L is equal to 0, 5, L is equal to 3, N is equal to 3, L is equal to 2. This is the question. First one I am explaining. Remaining you have to try. You can write easily. See, here what is the n value? Children?
2.
Write 2 as it is. 2. L is equal to 1 means p orbital.
Yes.
So answer is 2p for this set. Remaining can you write?
Yes, sir.
Hello, Partha.
Completed, sir.
Completed.
What is the second one, Impana?
4S, sir.
4S, correct? Moksha Pradha.
Yes, sir.
Vinaya. 4S. You say this one? 5? 5F. Correct?
Yes, sir. 5F.
Idu Moksha. 3D. 3D correct, Appa?
Correct, sir.
4S. 5F. Right number as it is. Next, 3D. This is the answer. This type of questions also important. But to write answer for this question, what you required? L values we required. Okay, na? Without L values, you cannot write. L value, he may gives. If you know L values, then only know we can write possible values. What is the L value? That we are taking as is. If you know L values, we have to know its orbital also. So that's why L values are very, very important. Clear? Next one. So this is about the energy of orbital and the related question. Next side heading, please write down. Filling of orbitals in atoms. Filling of orbitals in atoms. Filling of orbitals in atoms. Okay. This concept is particularly very important for objective examination, for NEET as well as JEE. Then nothing but these are also called electronic configuration rules. What these are called? Electron configuration rules. Clear, students? Very important. Easy. If you have good command over these n values and l values, we can write or we can explain easily or you can understand easily. This concept, filling of orbitals in atoms. Okay, na? Are you ready? First one, na? Pauli's exclusion principle. Pauli's exclusion principle. Pauli, P-A-U-L-I. Pauli's exclusion principle. Please write down statement. Ma. It states that no space, no two electrons in an atom, no two electrons in an atom can have same set of all four quantum numbers. I repeat, it states that no two electrons in an atom can have same set of all four quantum numbers. Okay? What is the meaning? Whatever the two electrons you take, for that two electrons, quantum numbers are not same. That is the statement. If you take any two electrons, for that two electrons, is all quantum numbers are same? No. That is the statement of Pauli's scientist name. Okay? Pauli's exclusion principle. Pauli's exclusion principle is what? No two electrons in an atom. In an atom, if you take any two electrons, for that two electrons, all quantum numbers are not same. That is the statement of Pauli's exclusion principle. Okay? Say for example, now I will take 2s orbital. Example, I will take 2s. 2s2 I will take 2s2 like this. So what is this 2 indicates? That 2 indicates a shell number. Means it is present in second shell. This is a subshell or orbital. Okay? These 2 indicates what? Very good. That 2 are electrons. So in this orbital, number of electrons are 2. So that it indicates. Okay? S orbital means how many boxes I told children?
One box.
One.
One box. P orbital means
3 boxes.
3 boxes. D orbital 5.
5.
3, 5, 7 boxes. Okay? S orbital I am taking one box. So 2 electrons are there, 2 electrons I am taking. For this electron, if you take for this electron, this is the first electron. For this electron, n value, l value, m value, and s value, we can write like this. This electron is present in which shell? No? Shell under number 12.
Second shell.
Second shell.
Okay, na? So its n value is 2. Okay, na? This is which orbital?
S orbital. L value is 0.
S orbital, no? So L value is 0. Okay, na? If L value is 0, M value is compulsory 0, na? In quantum
Yes,
numbers.
yes.
Okay. Next, spin quantum number. This electron is present in upward direction or downward direction? Upward direction. Electron is present in upward direction. Its spin value is plus half. Okay, na? These are the 4 quantum numbers for the first electron of 2s orbital. Okay, na? What about the second electron? If you take this electron, n value, l value, m value, s value. So this electron is also present in second shell. So n value is 2. This is also s orbital. L value is 0. This is for this s orbital, n value is 0. but electron is present in which direction?
Downward direction.
Downward direction, minus 1 by 2.
Minus 1 by 2.
minus 1 by 2.
That is anti-clockwise direction. So that's why we have write minus half. Is all 4 quantum numbers are same for these 2 electrons?
No sir, no sir.
3 are same. That is secondary. But 4 are not same. Na? So that's why we can explain like this. Okay? This is the example for Pauli's exclusion principle. While you are writing in notes, you write 2s2 and this box 2 electrons. While you are writing this explanation, for first electron, quantum numbers. For second electron, quantum numbers, you please write like that.
So we can change the spins.
You can change the spin, but opposite direction should be in a box. In a box, you can write first one is down, second one is up. But while you are writing 2 electrons, compulsory that should be in opposite direction. 2, if you write like this, it is not correct. Okay? Or if you write like this, it is also not correct. Okay? Compulsory we have to write in opposite direction. Just completed, children?
Yes sir.
Any doubts? Very, very important. This concept, particularly quantum numbers concept, this concept very, very important. Is completed? One or two examples I want to discuss with you with respect to quantum numbers. How to write quantum numbers for that? Please listen. I have 2p1 configuration. What is the configuration? 2p1. Some other element, unknown element, 2p1 configuration is there. Okay? For this 2p1 configuration, how to write the quantum numbers? Please listen. This is very, very important. Quantum numbers means first we have to write n, l, m, s. Principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number, and spin quantum number. Here I am telling 2p1, so that's why n value is what is the number is there, that is the n value. 2 na n value is 2. This is p orbital. For p orbital n value 0 or 1?
1.
1
1. Okay. Next, only one electron is present. Na? Only one electron is present. See, you can write a possible value for m either -1 or +1 or 0. That is, you have to take n from the given options. In objective question, you will give different options. Na? So from that, you have to choose appropriate answer. N value. Actually, 3 m values are possible. 3 m values are possible. So generally, I am writing here +1. If you write l is equal to 1, m +1 you can write. Suppose if l is equal to 1 is there, l is equal to +2 if you write, that is blunder mistake. Why? Because l value, m values are depends on l value. Andre, suppose I take l value is 1, m value is what you have to write, +1 to -1, what are the possible values that you have to write. +1 ಇಂದ -1 ಏನೇನಿದೆ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So ನೀವು +2 +3 ಬರ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So it is absolutely wrong. So you have to remember these two values in objective examination, as well as these two values also you have to remember. Suppose n is equal to 2, n is equal to 2 given. Is it correct? No. N values and L values should not be same, and moreover, always L value is less than N value.
in value.
Okay, na? Conditions very, very important. S value 1 electron, you can write any. I told you can write downward direction or upward direction. So that's why you can write +. So like this you have, right? Clear, students? So if any orbital you take, you can write quantum numbers like this. Okay?
Sir, can we take -1 for m, sir?
You can take, no problem. Generally,
Yes.
p orbital we have three, na? Px, Py, Pz.
Yes, sir.
Pz orbital we will take 0. Pz orbital we will take 0. Actually. Okay, like this we can write.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Any doubts? Easy only, na?
Easy.
Next. Second rule, no? Off-bow principle. AUF, BAU. Off-bow principle. Do you know what is off-bow? It is not a scientist name. It is not a scientist.
1s to 2s will write electronic configuration, no, sir. That.
Okay. Off-bow means it is a German word. It's what? It's a German word. In German, off-bow means building up or pairing up. Off-bow means what? No? Building up or pairing up. Please write down the statement. According to this principle, first lower energy subshells. First lower energy subshells are completely filled with electrons. According to this principle, first lower energy subshells are completely filled with electrons, comma. Then electron enters into higher energy subshells. Then electron enters into higher energy subshells. Then electron enters into higher energy subshells. Okay, this is the statement. So just now, before Pauli's explosion principle, we discussed the energy of orbitals. How can you determine energy of orbital? We can determine energy of orbital by using which value?
N plus L.
Okay, na? This off-bow principle is also based on n plus L value. Okay, na? This off-bow principle is based on what? N plus L value. Okay, na? Suppose I am taking two orbitals. For one orbital, I got n plus L value 3. For another orbital, I have n plus L value 4. Which has least energy?
3.
Okay, na? Least energy means which has the least n plus L value, that is the least energy. So we are comparing different orbitals. We have 3d, 4d, 5s, 6s, 7s, whatever it may be. For that, we have n plus L values, different n plus L values. Clear? So, which has the least energy means which has the least n plus n value, that has the least energy. Which has the least energy, that has the least n plus L values. Okay? Please remember here one or two examples I want to discuss with you in detail. Try to understand easy only. First example. I have 2s and 2p orbital. Example 1. I have 2s and 2p orbital. In this 2s and 2p orbital, which has the least energy and which has the highest energy. Now I have to explain. That is, if you take 2s orbital, For 2s, n plus L value is 2 plus 0, that is equal to 2. Will you accept?
Yes, sir.
For 2p, n plus L value is
2 plus 1, 3.
2 plus 1, 3. Okay. Here, which has least n value?
Yes.
Least n plus L value, sorry, 2s. Hence, first electron enters into 2s orbital. Then 2p orbital. I have 2s to 2p. Generally, you know electronic configurations. In electronic configurations, how you will write now? 1s, 2s. After that, what you will write? 2p, like that. Na? So after 2s only we are writing 2p. Why we are writing after 2s 2p means this is the explanation. 2s n plus L value is 2. For 2p n plus L value is 3. So that's why first electron is enters into 2s orbital. Then 2p orbital. This is the explanation. Any doubt in this? Please write down this. Second condition I will say after this. Did you get any doubt? Here n plus L values are okay different. Suppose if n plus L values are same, what we have to do? That doubt also you have to get them. Here n plus L value, this is for 2, this is for 3. Okay, you are fine saying for n plus L value is 2 for 2s orbital, sir. So that's why electron is enters into 2s orbital. My question is, if n plus L values you are getting same, what we have to do? Okay, na? No need to worry. If n plus L values are same, this is second statement. If n plus L values are same, then electron is enters into the orbital which has least n value. Artha aitama? If n plus L value is same, electron is enters into which orbital? Which orbital which has least n value. For this, I will give one clarification. Please observe. Yes, students, this is completed.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you take 2p and 3s, this is the second example. Example number 2. 2p and 3s. For 2p, n plus L value is equal to 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
N plus L value 2, L value 1 for p orbital, na? So that's why I wrote 3. Similarly, for 3s, n plus L value, customer
3 plus 0.
3 plus 0,
3 plus 0,
3. Here, n plus L values are same. Then what we have to take? If n plus L values are same, like this, then electron is enters into the orbital which has least n value.
2p.
Least n value idena. So that's why while we are writing the generally electronic configuration 1s, 2s, 2p, after that only we are writing 3s. This is the reason. Clear?
So for transition elements,
For transitional elements, whatever you take, we will write like this only. But orbitals we will write like that only. Just one electron shifting we have to write different. Whatever the transitional element or intertransitional element or representative element, whatever you take, we should not deviate this sequence. Filling of orbitals or filling of energy of different orbitals, we should not deviate this. So that's why if n plus l value is the same, then electron enters into the orbital which has least n value. Hence, in 2p and 3s, when say 2p and 3s, electron enters into 2p due to least n plus n value. Instead of
Sorry, n value.
Due to least n values.
Instead of oral explanation, I wrote. You can understand easily. Okay. Second example, 2p and 3s. Compare n plus l values. After that, if n plus l values are same, what we have to do? That I wrote here. Aita, students, online students, completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, one example question. Right now, you can understand easily this one. Among three D and 4P, which has least energy? Among 3D orbital we will call that is 3D and 4P. Among 3D and 4P, which has least energy? Please do your own method.
So 3D.
3D and 4P.
So 3D, sir.
Why? 3D n plus l value how much?
Sir,
Five.
N value is 3 for 3.
3 plus 2.
5, sir.
4p?
5.
5.
M plus L values are same. Then which has least energy?
3D.
Which has
3D.
lesser
3D
n
n
value.
value is 3.
Okay, na? If N plus L values are same, we have to go to next priority, D value. D value. See, in cricket, 2020, if score is 5, what they have to go?
Super over.
Super over.
Again, if ties, second super over. Again, if it is ties, then they will count the number of fours and
Boundaries.
Okay, na? Like that. Here, if n plus l values are tied, we have to go to least n value. That's all. See, in a NEET or JEE, if your scores are tied, do you know what they think? After scores are same, first priority they will give for mathematics for JEE students. If mathematics score is same, then they have to go to physics. Next they have to go to chemistry. If these scores are also same, next they have to go to age factor. Which has the highest age, they gets highest, that is first rank. That generally will happens. Clear? Next, Pauli's, sorry, completed Pauli's Hund's rule. Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. Or Hund's rule, pronunciation, whatever it may be. Okay, statement you have to remember. What is the Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity? Please listen. Very simple, no? When electron pairing takes place in orbitals or in subshell. First, electron is enters into the each orbital. Then only electron pairing takes place. When electron pairing takes place in degenerate orbitals, first electron is occupied by one electron each in orbital. Then only electron pairing takes place. Generally, this statement, by writing example, you can understand easily. Say, for example, I have 1s2, 2s2, 2p2 configuration. Okay, another one is I have 1s2, 2s2, 2p3 configuration. 1s means how many boxes?
1 box, sir.
Box. S means whatever the s orbital, 1s, 2s, 10s, 100s, whatever it may be, that is one orbital, one box only. P orbital means
3 boxes.
3 boxes. Here, 1s orbital means
1.
1 box. 2s orbital means 1 box. P orbital means 3 boxes. Here, you won't get any confusion. 2 electrons, here also 2 electrons. Here, I have 2 electrons, 3 boxes. How to write? Generally, students have 2 options. You can write 2 electrons at a time, or you can write 2 electrons like this. So, which is the correct one according to Hund's rule? This is the correct one. So, that is the statement of Hund's rule. Electron pairing takes place when all available degenerate orbitals are occupied by 1 electron each. Then only electron pairing takes place. And then, suppose 3rd electron is there. Where I have to write? Here we have to write. 4th electron. 1, 2, 3. 4th electron where I have to write? Here I have.
Box.
First only, sir.
That is the Hund's rule. Clear? That is the Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. It is like a bus. In bus, generally, what they prefer? passengers, majority of the passengers, they prefer window seats, window seat occupancy. So these are nothing but window seats. First occupies in window seat, then only adjacent seats are filled. Why? Because they don't have any choice. Compulsory they have to sit there. So that is Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. Clear, students? Here, degenerate orbitals. One word I used. That do you know what is the meaning of degenerate orbitals? Means orbitals which have same energy are called degenerate orbitals. Andre idರಲ್ಲಿ three boxes ಇದೆ p orbital. ಈ three boxes ಗೆ same type of energy ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So such type of orbitals are called degenerate orbitals. Orbitals having same energy are called what?
Degenerate orbital.
So electrons occupying in degenerate orbitals is explained by which principle?
Hund's rule.
That is important. Okay, now are you clear about Hund's rule?
Yes, sir.
Please write down. For this, how to write? 1s2, 2s2, 1. Second electron here only we have to write now. Second electron here or here?
Box, sir.
Next box.
Next box.
This is correct. 2p3. So 2p3 means it is not correct. This is also 2p3, but we should not write like this according to Hund's. Okay, please write down. According to this, electron pairing takes place. According to this, electron pairing takes place. Comma. According to this, electron pairing takes place when all available degenerate orbitals are degenerate orbitals are occupied by one electron each. Okay, please write down this example. For example, it's completed.
Yes,
Actually, I forgot one thing. In off-bow principle, I have to draw one diagram that I think you have in your lower classes also. That I will draw. Please observe. So this diagram is called Euler diagram. Do you have any idea about Euler diagram like this?
Yes, sir.
So what is the importance of Euler diagram is we can write different types of orbitals in their increasing order of energies. Andre lower to higher, we have to follow this sequence. 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, up to 5s I am writing. Okay, 2p, 3p, 4p, 5p, 3D, 4D, 5D, okay, 4F, 5F. Okay, can write 6s also, no problem. Few orbitals, important orbitals I will write. Okay, na? According to this, first electron is enters into 1s orbital. Then electron is enters into
Yes.
2s orbital. Then wait. This is okay. Na? According to this, first electron is enters into 1s. Next 2s. Next 2s after 2p. Next 3s after 3p. 4s. Next 3d, 4p, 5s, like that. Okay, na? So up to here, how much you have to remember? 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d. Up to here enough. If you remember up to here, you can write 30 electron, 30 elements electronic configuration. Okay, na? Okay, this is Miller diagram. Okay, na? Okay, next, like this. Okay, na? Tomorrow you please learn and come 30 elements, 20 elements at least, in order wise, hydrogen to calcium. Okay? Thank you, students. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.